Are you making money mistakes that could haunt you for decades? Most people don't realize their biggest financial blunders until it's too late. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we'll break down the biggest money mistakes people make in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s, and how to fix them before it's too late. Let's go. 20S, living for today, forgetting tomorrow. Your 20s, the age of freedom, fun, and financial mistakes. Here's what most people get wrong. Your biggest mistakes: no budget, spending everything without tracking where it goes, relying on credit cards, buying now, regretting later, ignoring investments, thinking I'll start saving later. How to fix it: track your expenses, start investing, even if it's just $10 a month. Compounding is your best friend. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Lesson: small financial habits today will shape your entire future. 30s, lifestyle inflation and debt traps. Your 30s bring career growth, but also bigger expenses. More money doesn't mean you should spend more. Biggest mistakes: lifestyle inflation, upgrading everything instead of saving more, ignoring retirement, thinking there's still plenty of time, too much debt, car loans, credit cards, home loans, drowning in EMIs. How to fix it: stick to the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Increase your retirement savings. Avoid unnecessary debt. Just because the bank offers a loan doesn't mean you need one. Lesson: more income should lead to more wealth, not more expenses. 40s, midlife crisis and financial neglect. Your 40s are the wake-up call. If you're not careful, this is where financial regret kicks in. Biggest mistakes: no retirement plan, still waiting, time is running out. Not investing in health. Skipping health insurance is a risky move. Putting kids before yourself. Helping kids financially but ignoring your own future. How to fix it: max out your retirement contributions, catch up if you're behind. Get a solid health insurance plan. Medical expenses can wipe out savings. Teach your kids financial independence instead of funding everything for them. Lesson: your future self will thank you for the decisions you make now. 50s, the last-minute panic. Retirement is around the corner. If you haven't planned well, stress kicks in. Here's what you need to avoid. Biggest mistakes: depending only on pension. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Not downsizing. Maintaining a big house and high expenses unnecessarily. Ignoring investments. Keeping all money in a low-interest savings account. How to fix it: diversify your income. Invest in assets that generate passive income. Consider downsizing your home. Reduce costs and free up cash. Stay invested. Your money should still work for you. Lesson: retirement isn't about age, it's about financial freedom. So the reality is, money mistakes happen, but the best time to fix them: right now. Here's a quick recap. 20s, track your spending, avoid debt traps, and start investing, even if it's small. 30s, watch out for lifestyle inflation, build wealth, and get serious about saving. 40s, prioritize retirement, secure insurance, and take care of your health. It's an investment. 50s, diversify income, cut unnecessary expenses, and keep your money working for you. Now here's the big question. What's one money mistake you wish you could go back and fix? Drop it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart money moves. See you in the next video.